Welcome back everyone. So today I'll be sharing this amazing juice recipe. So what I have is some purple kale, apples, beetroot, ginger and lemon. So without further delay, let's just get straight into this recipe. If you have a bigger juicer mouth, you don't have to cut these up this small. So once everything is all cut up, it's time to add these to the juicer. Now if you don't have a juicer, you can always add these to a blender, add a little bit of water just to free up the blades, and then afterwards you strain to extract the juice. So this recipe makes roughly 5 cups of juice, and now I'm gonna go ahead and strain this to remove any excess pulps. So just giving this one more strain just to remove any additional pulps. And you can choose to strain your juice multiple times. I don't like when there are pulps in my juice. I understand if I'm drinking smoothies, but not in my juice. And that's pretty much it. A refreshing, nutritious juice recipe. So now to the best part. Pour this in a glass. If you want to add some ice, go right ahead. Enjoy your juice. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this recipe, and see you all again in my next video.